Let me tell you what doesn't suck. Hey fish. How you doing today, boys? Girls? Whatevers. Alright. Okay, cool. So, what doesn't suck is coming out into the driveway. Oh! And there's that Buick Turbo. So I got bored cleaning it out and I threw a battery in it. And I said to myself, self, what's the worst that could happen if we just stuck the key in the ignition and see what happens? Getting things cleaned out. And so that's what we're gonna do. Let me find said keys. There they are. I love the 2 keys. All right. Oh, let's see. Does the seat work? Oh, hello. That makes noises. No, nothing moves. All right. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Well. Shit, I didn't even think that was gonna happen. All right, let's do it. Doesn't sound like it's getting much gas. Let's try it one more time. Ooh, it's got a bit of a giddy up there, doesn't it? Yeah. Let's check everything else out. All right, maybe we can do without that beep. Oh, that was a mistake. Oh, nope, shouldn't have done that. Oh, Lord, that's probably killing me. I'm getting out. Abandoned ship. Oh, turn the key off. This thing could burn. Oh, what a mistake. All right, well, they work. That's great. We know it goes into neutral because we semi-rolled it onto a flatbed. So, yeah. Oh, what's that noise? Oh, something don't sound good. Let's go see if anything's on fire. That did not sound good, but it could just be rusty things. A seized up AC condenser. That's probably what it was. I probably should have set a camera up out here. If I was even a semi-decent YouTuber, that's what I would have done. But I just got my phone in my hand, so that was what I ran with. Yeah, it could have been that. That doesn't look like it wants to really move a whole lot. Well, the good thing is, we got a battery hooked in, and there's no smoke. There's nothing sizzling or crackling or doing anything completely ridiculous. I'm gonna unhook the battery for sure. Yeah. But, okay, so it cranked. Something seized up here. I'm gonna set a camera up and watch. And yeah, we'll set a camera up and see if we can't crank it one more time before we unhook the battery and see if everything's moving. All right, let's take a look. Time to wash this bad boy up. Oh, Nelly. See how she looks. Okay, here she is. Looks like we had a repaint on the fender because the power washer took a lot of the paint off. This door I did not expect much on. Cleaned it up nice back here. Roof. Hood still looks terrific. Check out the back. Much better. And then the moss. No more moss. Alright. Looking pretty good. Get some tires on this thing. And we'll get her over to the shop. Just like the rest of the car. Underneath is rusty, but not rotted. Looks like we need some brakes. Looks like we need some tie rod ends. No problem. We got this. All right, till the next time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.